So welcome to Queen Media Picture. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a logo. I'll be using the brand logo UF as an example. So let's go straight to the practical aspect. So this is our default page. Our picture will have default page. So the next thing is for us to go and input our text now. So let's input our letter U. So after inputting our letter, you click on OK, then you increase the size of the letter U. So after increasing the size, you go and change the font to a perfect font that you think it will be better and nice for what you are actually creating at the moment. So I'm just trying to fill in a perfect font for it so that it will look nice and professional. So after that, this is our letter U ready. Then you go to our mask. There is an icon here, mask, yes. So we use our mask to cut out the left side, part of the left side of letter U. Oh, sorry, right side rather, not left. Because I want to match the letter F with the letter U. I want them to be like they are inside each other. So I don't want them to stand separately. That is part of designing as well. So you, as a graphic designer, you will be doing everything unique all the time. So that is part of our work as a graphic designer. Fine. So let's input in our F now. So then you increase the size of the F2. Then you drag it to where the letter U is. The thing is not dragging, no. Finally it drags. So you drag it to where the letter U is, then just try to do some adjustments, like to increase if it is too small or decrease if it is too big. Then make sure the line of the F is by the side of the U where we cut with the mark. Then you go and change the F font to fit in. So after that, just try to adjust and make sure they are by each other side. One is not up and one is not down. I want them to be perfect by each other side so that it will look nice and professional. So after that, the next thing is color. Go and choose in a color. So you give them the color you want. But here I'm using blue because the brand color for the logo is blue. So I'll be using different two shades of blue for the two letters. They're a little different in the blues. So then after that, I'll just go straight and change the background color to white. So after changing the background color to white, because if you are dealing with logo, make sure you use white background color. So then I'm just trying to fix in to make sure they are centralized and equally together. Yeah, nice one. Then the next thing for us now is to go to our gallery to bring in the vector I want to use to beautify our logo. So this is the vector and I've already removed the vector background. Just place it, reduce the size and make sure everything fits each other. Then I'll go and bring in the vertical vector tool. I'm using all this just to beautify the logo, to make it unique and nice. So you see the one I'm using. I've already removed all the backgrounds. Make sure you remove all the backgrounds of any image you want to be using while designing. So then after this, the next thing is to centralize everything. Make sure they are aligned where they were supposed to be. So just try and adjust them to where they were supposed to be. So use all the icons necessarily to use to centralize them. Then after that, we will go to color. Oh, sorry. So the next thing is retyping the full name of the logo, which is Unique Fashion World. I think you are going along with me. So Unique Fashion World, then click OK. Bring it to the middle here. You adjust the size. So increase the text size. And give it a nice font. Then after giving it a nice font, you give it the color you want. It is not necessary you are using the same color as I'm using. This is the brand color for the business, so that is why I'm using it for the logo as well. So then the next thing is to go and change the color of our image, which is the vectors. So I'll be using blue as well for them. You change the color of the every vectors there. So I'll be changing the vertical vector color to, so you're changing the colors. After that, then the next thing for us is to merge our work together. So this is how to merge. You click on them or they merge everything together. So as this logo is ready, the only thing for us now is just to centralize it. Then our logo is perfectly, uniquely, beautifully ready. So that is it. That is all about this logo. It's as simple as what you are seeing here. So kindly watch the video and practicalize yours, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. I hope I impact